And what you see now is Nepal's finance minister being beaten up by the crowd. This is the youth in Nepal taking action against the government and here attacking the finance minister who's being beaten up. Do remember that he is running for his life, trying to take cover, running on the streets of Nepal in order to get away from the protesters who are beating him up literally on the streets. This is after so many of the ministers. Do remember that the cabinet had about 25 ministers, including the Prime Minister, and then one of the ministers being attacked by the demonstrators. And my colleague Aditya Raj Kaul on the ground from Kathmandu joining us in order to get us the situation on the ground. Aditya, the Prime Minister has resigned. Take us through how bad is the situation at the moment?
আমার এই ভিডিওটা যদি তোমাদের ভালো লাগে তো ভিডিওতে লাইক কমেন্ট করে দেবে আর এই চ্যানেলটা আমরা নতুন চালু করেছি তো চ্যানেলটা যাতে বড় করে উঠাতে পারি তাই জন্য তোমরা চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও। দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। টাটা।